Hey, welcome back. All right, so let's talk about manifesting for a second. Because I understand some people are saying they're having a hard time manifesting. Manifesting is not hard at all, especially if you just have a couple tricks or if you just know a couple things to align your energies with what it is that you're trying to create. So what you want to do is, here's a tip, is you can use a vision board. That's very simple and very basic. Okay, you just get yourself a board, something like this. You know, it doesn't matter the size. Size doesn't matter. Just any kind of a board, whatever color you want. And then you can start with your journal, or if you already know exactly what it is that you're trying to manifest, you need to get a picture of that, or journal it out. Journal what it is that you're trying to create, and then try to create a symbol that means whatever that paragraph or that page means, because we want to communicate directly with your spirit. So the language of the spirit is in symbols. So we want to communicate through the symbols. So let's say you want it to be healthy. On your vision board, put pictures of healthy stuff that is to you, whatever healthy is to you. And then make sure on your vision board, okay, you put a picture of yourself. Put a picture of yourself, okay, and anybody else you want on your vision board to be a part of that manifestation. And then after you put everything on there, and you want to put a lot of energy into it. The more energy you put into it, the faster and more potent it's going to manifest. So once you're done with your vision board, what you can do is you can either put it on the wall or put it over wherever you sleep, wherever you rest, because what's going to happen is as you're resting, these symbols are going to be communicated with the spirit world. Okay, so as you leave your body, you're going to be seeing these symbols. Okay, and as you see these symbols, they're going to be communicating from that world into the physical plane. So it's got to manifest over there first. It's got to manifest in the spirit world first. So this is something to help people to manifest things in their life and attract things, because once you start creating things like this, like vision boards, you're basically having a one-on-one conversation with the universe. Okay, it's a communion that's going on. You're saying, this is what I want to be attracted to me. Okay, I put a picture of myself, which is my energy signature, and I'm putting all of the symbols around my picture, and these things are going to naturally come to you in your waking state. So as you come back into your physical body, you're going to naturally start to see these things start to show up, because you put the energy in it. Like I said, the more energy you put into it, the more potent and the stronger that manifestation is going to be. So this is just one technique that you can use to just start manifesting things and helping you to get more into alignment with the things that you want out of life. Okay, once again, one love.